Hi, my name is Jeremiah Dooley. I'm one of the cloud architects at SolidFire, and today we're going to talk about one of the largest challenges that we see customers have to deal with inside their storage environments. And that challenge is the lack of ability to consolidate workloads down for the purposes of operational efficiency or the purposes of better utilization of the storage. So what we have today is we have an environment where each of the workloads that are important to our enterprises are being run on discrete pools of storage. And they're being done that way for two reasons. The first is it's really hard to protect the performance and availability of a single application across a single storage array when each of those applications has a completely different, or in sometimes diametrically opposed I/O pattern that they're trying to support. The other thing that we see is that many storage vendors in the industry today will position different storage arrays with different capabilities specifically for workloads that are being run inside there. So we'll see a specific storage array for VDI workloads. We'll see a specific storage array or storage configuration for database and Oracle and MongoDB workloads. And despite the inherent benefits in consolidating all of that onto a platform, the underlying storage just won't support it. So one of the things that we're trying to do with customers is to explore what are the benefits of that consolidation. And what if I could take each of these workloads and rather than running them on a separate storage product, rather than having to maintain a separate storage platform, administrate and provision on that separate storage platform, and have to deal with all of the overhead and efficiencies of each of those platforms, what if I could build a single storage platform that was able to support all of them? And the first real issue there is going to be how is it that I provide the capacity and the performance that's needed for each of those workloads. And so what we're seeing more and more customers look towards is the ability to use a guaranteed quality of service mechanism so that each of these workloads, rather than running on individual storage, can run on logically guaranteed pools of storage inside a single storage array. The benefits from this, some of them are obvious, right? There's less overhead to manage, there's less overhead to provision from a capacity standpoint. Some of these are less obvious. The ability to be able to really start to drive down the points of automation, the ability to be able to leverage a single platform API in order to do automation, orchestration, provisioning, scripting, all of the things that need to be done, and not having to reinvent that wheel every time a new storage platform comes in. And then finally, being able to be far more efficient about the space, being able to be far more efficient about how we scale those storage platforms and in what vectors we scale those storage platforms. So over time, while today we see most of the storage vendors in the industry providing specific products for specific workloads, over time the value of being able to consolidate all of those workloads onto a single platform and be able to provide the capacity and I/O that each of those workloads needs really can't be ignored, and we'll see more of the storage vendors headed in that direction.